We are practicing for a little cooking event, so we're going to cook some white beans and shrimp today, starting with a little bacon grease and avocado oil. We are going to use Rusty's Trinity blend, the dehydrated Trinity for this, but we also like the chunky onions in it, so that's why we're going to cook these onions down for about 20 minutes. You got to do a little dance or it doesn't taste the same, y'all. After you get them tender, throw in the garlic. And like I said, we are practicing, so he's taking notes. Depending on how much you're cooking, that depends on how much liquid you're going to need. But a good rule of thumb to start is for 1 pound of beans, you will need about a quart of liquid. That could be a mix between water and chicken broth or whatever broth. So we're going to get that up to a boil, season it with some salt, granulated garlic, some onion powder, KPs, and Rusty's. And then we're also going to use Rusty's dehydrated Trinity mix at this point and get it rehydrated. Nothing really beats that flavor. We're going to pour in our 4 pounds of beans once we get that to a boil, and then we're going to let those cook for a few hours, y'all. So we're going to let them go for about an hour and a half, and then we're going to check again to see if it needs water. We ended up adding about a cup and a half or two at the hour and a half mark, and we're also on the other burner cooking pastelaya for a graduation party, so we had a lot going on the stove today. But anyway, after about 2.5 3 hours, your beans should start looking like this, and then we're going to just throw in 4 pounds of raw shrimp that have been marinating in crab oil and KPs. You let them go for another 15 minutes, put the lid on, cut the fire, and you're ready to serve it on rice. Ça c'est bon, y'all.